Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm doing a Resin Ocean pour on a 12-inch diameter wooden tray. This is the first time I'm doing it on a slightly larger scale, so it's going to be a learning. Let's get started. The first thing I've done is I poured a very thin layer of clear resin all over the tray, just to cover the surface. So what this does is it fills any pore cracks that is there in the surface of the wood, and you get a smooth surface to work on. Next important thing is make sure the surface you're working on is level. So I did this yesterday and allowed the resin to fully cure. So besides this, you can also prime the wood using blue color or white color, and then you could have poured the resin. For my ocean pour, I'm using 3 shades of blue and some clear resin. Instead of clear resin, you can mix sand with some resin and then pour it. A point that I want to make here, the resin that I'm using is a little viscous at this point. If your resin is very fluid, I would suggest you to wait until it's thickened up a little bit. The reason I wait for the resin to thicken up a little bit is so that the colors blend at the point where they meet, but not too much. Otherwise, the colors will be all over each other. Once the shades of blue are done, it's time for the waves or the lacing. And this is the way I go about it. A little bit of opaque white pigment paste with a little bit of resin because it's highly concentrated. Then pour a thin white line. I use a butane torch over it, and then using my heat gun, I just blow the white towards the blue. This is also one of the reasons I wait for the resin to thicken up, so that if you're lucky enough to get the cells will remain there because the resin has already started to cure. Fingers crossed that some of the cells remain there. Tomorrow I'm going to make another line of wave near the darker shades of blue, hopefully giving this a 3D look. So now I'm going to allow this to fully cure, and we'll come back to this tomorrow. Next day, and the white sunk down a little bit. Still looks good. I'm going to make another wave towards the darker shades of blue. I've already poured clear resin all over the tray, and using the same process as before, make your lacing. The white waves or lacing will be more prominent here since there is no blending with other colors, and it will also give a 3D look to the whole ocean. Almost done. After this whole thing cures, I will pour another layer of clear resin and allow that to cure too, and we're done with the bead. Few points that I learned along the way. Different artists have different ways of going about this. So this is the way that works for me. Something else may work for you. So experiment and find out what works for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.